In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes to a task in Google Tasks. Let's keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without pausing. First, open the Google Tasks app on your phone or tablet. You'll land on your task lists or the last list you viewed. If you haven't used it in a while, that's fine. Everything picks up right where you left off. Next, choose the list that contains the task you want to work on. In Google Tasks, lists act like folders to keep things organized, such as work, personal, or errands. Depending on your device, you might switch lists using the sidebar, a drop-down at the top, or tabs across the screen. Take a second to make sure you're in the right list so you're updating the correct task. Now find and tap the task you want to add notes to. This opens the task's detail view. You'll see the task title at the top, and underneath it you may see options like date, subtasks, and the area we're focusing on today. Tap Add Details. This is the spot for any extra information you want to keep with the task. Things like instructions, addresses, quick reminders, links, or context that helps you remember what needs to happen. Think of it as the notes section attached directly to your to-do item, so you don't have to look elsewhere. Go ahead and type your notes. Keep them clear and actionable. If it helps, use short sentences or line breaks to make the information easy to scan later. You can paste relevant text, include key points from an email, or jot down steps you'll need when you get to the task. While the field is plain text, many versions will let you tap links you've pasted, which can save you time. When you're done, tap back. In Google Tasks, tapping back saves your changes automatically, so you don't need to look for a separate save button. If you want to be extra sure, you can briefly reopen the task to confirm the notes are there, but generally, as soon as you go back, your details are saved. That's all there is to it. You opened the Google Tasks app, selected the right list, tapped the task you want, added your details, and saved by heading back. From now on, those notes will travel with your task and appear across your devices, keeping everything in one place. This small habit makes tasks clearer, reduces back and forth searching, and helps you move from planning to doing with less friction.